Hi, this is Cecili Simmons, Realtor, welcoming you to Best Place to Live Atlanta. And if you are returning, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are exploring new construction community by Toll Brothers, East Cobb Walk. This community is conveniently situated at the redeveloped Sprayberry Crossing Center within close proximity to I-75, the Avenue at East Cobb, and top-rated schools. Now, East Cobb Walk offers 102 luxury townhomes ranging from 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 baths. Also, each of them has 2-car garages and amenities such as a private neighborhood pool and cabana for residents. Now, if you're relocating to Metro Atlanta and you're not quite familiar with East Cobb, just a quick little reminder, this area is going to be known for its top-rated public schools, well-established neighborhoods, and consistently strong home values, but also think family-friendly and lots of nature and green spaces. Keep in mind that there are 2 collections of homes in this townhome community, the Sapphire and the Emerald collection, and today's lovely townhome tour happens to be one of the featured homes in the Sapphire collection. Prices range from $577,000 to about $725,000 for a home in the Sapphire collection, and $499,000 to about $586,000 in the Emerald collection. Now, for a limited time only, new buyers might also qualify for additional incentives on select homes that were purchased after March 20th, 2026 and closed before May 29th, 2026, such as a 2-1 buy-down program. Reach out to me specifically to see what your payment would look like and to find out if you qualify for that program. And then they're also offering an additional incentive of up to $10,000 towards closing costs with a Toll Brothers mortgage. To learn more info specific to you purchasing one of these lovely homes, I'll need you to reach out to me. My phone number will be located on this video, as well as my additional contact information in the description box beneath this video. And for now, enjoy the rest of your tour. Hello, my name is Cecili Simmons. I want to welcome you back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for visiting, and make sure you subscribe and give me a follow and leave me a comment. Well, today I'm excited to show you the Sapphire collection at Toll Brothers East Cobb Walk, located in the heart of Marietta's most sought after community, East Cobb. This particular model is the Oak Ridge with the loft, an amazing grand loft experience. It's actually one of my favorite features because it's ultra luxe on the 3rd floor. Yes, I did say 3 floors. This property has a 3-level living space situation going on, and the loft is very inviting and relaxing. Another amazing feature about the 3rd level is it has a great space for a very warm office. This model has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms and 1 half bathroom, 2-car garage, and is 2,844 square feet. Price range is from the mid-6s to about $730,000 for this model. The only thing left is for you to contact me. My contact info will be located in the description box beneath this video, and let me bring you out for an in-person tour. I can't wait to help you make this fabulous community your best place to live in Atlanta. I will see you on your tour. I hope you enjoyed your tour. What did you think about this property? Leave me a message in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Now, if you or someone you know is looking to buy in this community or any other area within Metro Atlanta and the surrounding areas, reach out to me. My contact info will be located in the description box beneath this video. Now, keep in mind, I also work with sellers to get your property sold successfully for top dollar. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more premium real estate content. Until next time, see you on the next video.